Hello everyone, this printer is HP Envy 4500E series or 4500E series, all in one printer. What I want to do is to show you how to copy documents with this printer. Open the glass scanner, put the document you want to copy face down, and make sure the document starts from the bottom right. Close the cover. Then select copy from the menu, select OK to copy. It will show you start black copy or start color copy. Scroll down to select start color copy. So the document is copying in color. If you change your mind, then you select cancel. This is the document we copied in color. Another thing I want to show you, use down arrow to select number of copies. Select OK to number of copies. Then select up or down to select the number of copies you can select. So you can select up to 20 pages document. So you can select up to 20 pages. So use up or down to select number of copies. 1 is selected. Select OK to the number of copies. Then scroll down again to two-sided. Select OK to two-sided. Then switch two-sided on. Select OK. Two-sided is on. Then scroll down. Paper type. A4 plain paper. Then select OK. If you have different paper, like A4 photo paper or 10 by 15 photo paper, then you select on it. So A4 plain paper is selected, then select OK. Resize. If you want to resize it, then you select resize. ID card. Light and darker. So you can adjust this according to your preference. Now I want us to, so two-sided is on. I want us to print it in black and white. So select start black copy. So copying 1 of 1. Then two-sided, because we selected two-sided, we're going to turn the document the other way around. Close the cover, then select OK to continue to print the second page. This is the document we copied, black and white, two-sided. If you want to copy it in color, one-sided, then scroll down, select 2 to one-sided, select OK to 2 to one-sided, then switch it off, select OK. So two-sided is off. Now I want us to copy it in color, then scroll down and select color. Start color copy and put the document you want to copy, then select OK. So the document is copying in color. And now it's going to copy single one-page document. This is the document we copied in color, single page. And once you're done, then you go back to the home page. Can use left arrow and go back to the home page. So this is how to copy documents with this printer. Thank you very much indeed.